All right, everyone, so today made it out to Waring Oil Company and out here in Biloxi, Mississippi. And what you see behind me is the project. It's going to be this bobtail tanker. Going to be completely going over it. Going to be completely polishing it out. Should turn out pretty darn good. And going to take a little bit of work. It's going to take quite a bit of work, be honest, but it's going to turn out great. Just see that as before. Coming all the way around, all the way around. Just take a look at that. Take it all in. It's going to turn out great. All right, everyone, just wrapped up on this bobtail tanker truck, and as you can see, it looks absolutely exquisite. So I'm going to show you the after here, and I'm just going to walk you around in the sun. I waited on the sun to come out so that way you can see the actual finish, and it looks beautiful. So looks gorgeous. Let me come back this way, where you can see that sun reflection on there, nice and slow. Looks gorgeous. Okay, back end of it. It's done. Also did a little bit to dull it up as far as with the bumper there, even though it's rough. Also polished out the rims, the wheels. Box has turned out great. Also took care of this tank right here. Dry wheel, and I'm going to take you around. There's that dry wheel, and then this is this side. So turned out gorgeous. And absolutely beautiful. So let me, also the wheels are done down here. Two rear wheels have been polished. But let me, turned out beautiful. All right, everyone, so that wraps it up for this video. If you would like to have your tankers polished, give us a call, 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com, 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. Also, all the other services are listed on the website, everything from automobiles, marine, from small boats all the way up to large yachts, and everything else that you could imagine. Airplanes, aviation, you name it, we got you covered. So, but hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.